Shortcuts allows your business to record and host classes. To do this, you can go to the Setup menu on the right side and under the Service menu. Shortcuts actually allows you to turn any existing service that you have listed into a classroom. To do this, for example, if you were going to offer men's cut and style classes in your business, you would select the service and go to Details. Once you're on the Details window, at the bottom of the screen, you can select this is a class with participants and what the capacity is. So does your business have room for 20? Does the business have room for 2 people at a time? So this is how you can turn an existing class or an existing service into a class. Now, for the sake of this demonstration, we're going to create a new class. So I'm going to label it under additional services. So currently, I do offer a haircutting class and a straight razor class, but I'm going to add a new one. So I'll select additional services and press new. So the classroom I'm going to offer is beard trim. So I will offer a beard trim class, and I will tell Shortcuts this class takes approximately 60 minutes and I charge $50 per class. At the bottom of the screen, I will say this is a class with participants and my shop offers limited seating, so I only have 4 openings for this particular classroom. So imagine if you were a barber shop and you offered classes, or a salon, or even a spa that offers things like yoga classes. This is how you would configure it. Once I press done, I'll return to the appointment book. Now I need to assign which employee is going to host the class or teach the class. In this case, Angel is going to host the class at 12 o'clock. So I will click on Angel's 12 o'clock opening as if I'm making an appointment for her. But at the top of the screen, on the top right, I will select Schedule a Class. So this is similar to a task in which I want to tell Shortcuts to block this out. So once I press that, Shortcuts shows me which classes I have available. So Angel is going to teach the beard trim class. I'll select it and then press done. So now it is blocked out on Angel's calendar. And you'll notice it's in a unique color. It's purple instead of a standard appointment which appears in green. Now, when I'm ready to add customers into this class, so I have a few customers that signed up, I would right-click on the class and select Participants. So Shortcuts is going to say, okay, this is the classroom, who's joining? On the bottom left corner, I will select Add, and I will search for a customer. So in this case, I'll say Brad is going to join, so I will say Next. Not only that, we'll say George is going to join as well. So Brad and George are in the class. And let's add one more person. So I'll press Add. There we go. Matt's going to join. So I have 3 people, potentially 4 people that can be in this class. Once the customers have arrived, the people that are actually attending, I can select the Arrived checkbox so that Shortcuts recognizes all of the people that are signed up have arrived. When this class finishes, I can right-click on the class, return to the participant screen, and on the right side, I will select the Checkout option. So first I select which customer is going to check out, in this case Matt or George, and notice the shopping cart, the checkout icon lights up. So I can select it, and Shortcuts will move it to the point of sale. So notice Shortcuts recognizes that the entire class, or in this case, one person at a time, is checking out. So Matt can pay for his visit, and then George can pay for his visit, and lastly, Brad can pay for his visit. So this is how you create classes in Shortcuts. How do you add students into the class, and how do you check them out? Thank you for following along.